All right.
Okay, so my name's Morgan.
Hi,
This is
I'm Morgan.
also Morgan. And we are roommates together in Florence, which is where we are right now. I'm doing this video for Veda, which is Vid Every Day in April, which I guess is also, you can do it in August, but it's not August, so I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Yes, we are doing it.
Well, we are, but we're not doing the one in August. Actually, I might still do that too, depending on how this goes. Anyways, as you can tell, we're not from Italy at all, though she can speak more Italian than I can. From California in the United States, studying abroad here right now, and kind of a good view of what's happening. Right now we are going neck brace shopping for my sister, who a ladder fell on the back of her head, so now she needs, and her neck, so yeah, that's where we're going.